Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about Android application building and Android application signing. Well, in the last video we saw that how we can decompile or reverse any Android application. So let me give you one scenario that we have decompiled or reversed one Android APK file and we did some modification in the source code of that Android APK file. Now what we actually want to build or to make one APK file from that modified source code. So how we can do that? Well, we can do that with the help of APK tool. So with the help of APK tool, we can even reverse the application, even we can build the application. So all we have to do is we just have to write down APK tool B for build, then we have to write down the directory name which actually contains our application source code. Then what we have to do, we have to pass one extra parameter, that is -o followed by the new Android APK name. So this is how we can build our Android application. Well, once we got our Android application, and then if you try to install that Android application in any Android operating system, so we will not be able to do so. So if you just try to install it, you will got a lot of errors. So why our Android operating system not letting us to install that application? So the reason behind that is Android application signing. Now let's talk about Android application signing. So Android application signing is actually a process with the help of which we can encrypt all the files in the Android application package so that the person can able to know that this Android APK file is actually owned by that company or by that person. That is mean as signing. So how we can sign the application? So you can see here, so the Android application signing is one of the unique feature of Android, and anyone can create Android application and we can just post that application on Play Store. But before posting or uploading our application on the Play Store, we actually have to sign the application. So how we can sign the application? Well, there are two mechanisms, or there are two types of certificate signing mechanism, that is certificate authority or self-signing certificate. So if you don't want to create your own certificate, then what you can do, you can actually buy a certificate from certificate authority, and with the help of that certificate you can sign the application. Otherwise you can create your own custom certificate with the help by using different algorithms and encryption and cryptographic techniques that is categorized inside self-signing certificate, and then you can actually sign the application by using self-signing certificate. So once we signed our application, we actually got two keys. So the first key is public key, which is actually visible to all the users. Then the second key which we got is private key. So the thing to be noticed is that after signing the application, our private key, we have to keep the private key at a safe location. So this is how an application signing mechanism takes place. So in this video we talked about that how we can build one APK file and how Android application signing process takes place. So thanks for watching this video.